Your dream is not a joke. It's a calling. When you dream big, people will laugh. They'll doubt you, question you, and call you unrealistic. But that dream burning inside you, it's not random. It's not noise. It's a calling planted deep in your spirit, meant only for you to understand. Discipline is the bridge between dream and reality. Dreaming is easy, but building that dream, that's where character is forged. Discipline is what separates dreamers from achievers. You can't pray for a vision and sleep through the mission. Failure is a part of the blueprint. Every person who ever reached greatness stumbled first. Failure is not your enemy, it's your teacher. Every no, every closed door, every setback, it's carving your strength, molding your character, and sharpening your purpose. Surround yourself with vision, not noise. You can't dream big in small circles. The people around you either feed your fire or drain your spirit. Protect your energy, guard your focus, and walk with people who see beyond the moment, people who see destiny in you. Faith turns dreams into reality. Dreaming big requires more than vision. It requires faith. Faith that speaks even when nothing's happening. Faith that believes when the odds are stacked against you. Faith that whispers, keep going. Because if your dream doesn't scare you, it's not big enough. Your dream is not a joke. It's a calling. When you dream big, people are going to laugh. They're going to look at you like you've lost your mind. They'll tell you to be realistic, to stay in your lane, but understand something. Big dreams aren't meant to make sense to small minds. The dream you carry inside you is not a coincidence. It's not an illusion. It's a whisper from destiny calling your name. It's the light that keeps you awake at night, the fire that burns when everything else goes cold. When you dream big, you're not just imagining, you're stepping into a higher purpose. Most people quit before they even start because they want approval more than purpose. Don't let the laughter of others silence the voice inside you. Don't shrink yourself to fit the comfort of those who never dared to dream. Your dream is your responsibility. Nobody else will understand it. Nobody else will see it until you make it real. That vision in your heart, it's a seed, and seeds don't grow overnight. You've got to protect it, nurture it, and trust that one day it'll rise into something so powerful. Even those who doubted you will have no choice but to believe. Discipline is the bridge between dream and reality. Everybody wants the dream, but nobody wants the grind. They want the result, not the process. Dreaming big is not about talking big. It's about walking with purpose when nobody's watching. Discipline is that quiet voice that tells you to get up when your body says stay down. It's the bridge that carries your dream from your mind into the world. You can pray for success all day long, but if you're not willing to wake up early, to study, to train, to sacrifice, you're just chasing shadows. The dream demands consistency, not convenience. There are days you'll feel tired, days you'll feel forgotten, days when progress feels invisible. But that's where real discipline lies. It's doing what needs to be done, especially when you don't feel like doing it. Because the world doesn't reward wishes, it rewards work. And when your effort meets your faith, when your discipline aligns with your dream, something unstoppable happens. The impossible starts to bow before your persistence, and reality begins to bend toward your vision. Failure is a part of the blueprint. People run from failure like it's a disease. But failure is the best teacher you'll ever have. Every success story you've ever heard was built on a foundation of rejection, loss, and disappointment. Failure isn't a sign to quit. It's a sign you're trying. It means you're in the game. You're taking risks. You're growing. When life knocks you down, it's not trying to destroy you. It's trying to develop you. See, pain introduces you to your real self. Failure humbles you, sharpens you, and gives you the wisdom success never could. Every time you fail, you learn what doesn't work, and that brings you one step closer to what does. You can't be afraid of falling if you ever want to fly. You have to fall, stumble, bleed, cry, but keep moving forward. Because failure is not the end of your story, it's the rough draft of your victory. Every no is just setting you up for the right yes. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. The only way failure wins, if you quit before the lesson is learned. Surround yourself with vision, not noise. You can't dream big when you're surrounded by small thinkers. You can't fly if you keep walking with people who are afraid of the sky. The environment you keep determines the energy you carry. If your circle doesn't inspire you, challenge you, or push you to be better, you're standing in the wrong circle. Sometimes you've got to walk alone to find the people who see what you see. Vision attracts vision. Dreamers attract dreamers. Protect your space, because not everyone clapping for you is happy for you. Some people are there to distract you, drain you, and plant doubt in your mind. Learn to be selective with your energy. Spend time with people who see your potential, not your past. The ones who remind you who you are when the world tries to make you forget. Because when you're surrounded by vision, your dream becomes possible. When you're surrounded by noise, your purpose becomes blurry. So, choose your circle wisely. The people around you can either multiply your dream or murder it. Faith turns dreams into reality. Faith is the unseen fuel of every dream. You can have vision, talent, and plans, but without faith, you'll quit the moment things get hard. Faith is believing in the light even when you can't see the sun. It's standing tall when the storm hits, knowing deep down that everything happening is shaping you for something greater. Faith doesn't mean everything will go your way. It means you'll trust the process even when it doesn't. Sometimes the path to your dream will look nothing like what you imagined. Doors will close, people will leave, and the road will get dark. But faith whispers, keep walking. Faith says, there's purpose in the pain. When you hold on to faith, you're not walking by sight, you're walking by promise. And promise is stronger than proof. Your dream is waiting for your belief to catch up. When you believe with everything in you, when you keep going with nothing but faith in your heart, the universe begins to move. Opportunities open, strength returns, and everything you prayed for starts moving toward you. Dream big, because small dreams don't move mountains. Life will test you, break you, and challenge everything you believe in, but your dream is the reason you keep standing. Don't you ever let fear talk you out of what faith brought you into. Don't shrink your vision to fit someone else's comfort zone. You were not created to live average. You were not born to blend in. You were designed to rise, to inspire, to leave a mark that can't be erased. The dream is not just about success. It's about becoming the person strong enough to deserve it. Keep working when nobody's watching. Keep believing when nothing's happening. Keep fighting when everything's against you. Because one day, when the dust settles and the noise fades, your dream will stand tall, and the world will finally see what you always knew was possible.